Lesson 1, Grammar. So, welcome to this grammar notes section. This week, we're just going to discuss the building blocks that make up any language. And if you're anything like me, you have forgotten quite a bit of what you were taught in school. And we're going to refresh your memory. All right, so we're going to start off with a noun. The question would be, what is a noun? All right, so a noun is basically a person, a place, or a thing. A cat, a horse, mother, South Africa, that's all nouns. So that's very straightforward and very easy. A pronoun is the word that replaces or stands in place of the noun. So that would be you, he, she, it, etc. Hence the name pronoun. All right, so the verb is very easy as well. That is something that you do, sit, laugh, run, etc. And I think these three are very straightforward. Now we get an adjective. Now an adjective, this is where I always got confused in school. An adjective is the word that describes the noun. Okay, so that would be how many or what kind, etc. So happy, red, dangerous. These are all adjectives that sort of gives color to a noun, the red house, etc. So that's adjective. Now an adverb is exactly the same thing, but this is the one that describes or modifies a verb. So carefully, quickly, wisely, it normally ends in ly, not always, but normally. And it's very easy to remember if you think about adding verb, so you add something to the verb, this is what an adverb does, all right? Just something also to mention is that sometimes the adverb can also describe an adjective. So in other words, if she is tall, this means that tall is obviously the adjective which is describing her. Now, if she was very tall, very would be adding something to the tall. So very describes the tall. So very is the adverb, tall is the adjective, and she is the noun. I hope this is making sense. Don't worry too much about it, because as you learn a new language, you sort of get into the motion of the way languages work, and all of these things start making sense. The last thing we'll discuss today is a preposition. Now, a preposition, that is the word that indicates the relationship of a noun to another word. It's actually very easy because this is like at or with or against or across. So in other words, the house, which is a noun, is on top or is on, which is a preposition, the rock. The house is on the rock. So these 6 building blocks I think are the most important regarding any language. And if you look at the transcript that is available on the website, you'll have a good idea of what's happening, and you can go through it maybe more than one time, just to wrap your head around it.